Got the paperwork?
Yeah, it's right here.
What's the address? Lion Canyon, right?
Laurel Canyon. 9007.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No.
9007 Laurel Canyon Boulevard.
Nice.
2001 Harley Davidson Black. Got a plate and a VIN. She's 6 months behind. Comments from Sonia says it's a girlfriend's bar.
You know, I've said it many times before that every time you're gonna go do a repo, you never know what you're gonna run into. All we knew about this repo was that we're looking for a Harley that belongs to a girl, which to me, that's just amazing. I love chicks that can ride bikes. I mean, especially on a Harley, there's nothing better than that, given that the girl looks good. You bring a helmet?
Yeah, but you know what? This is a Harley. Man, you know I only ride sport bikes, so I just have this. Yeah, I got my bad dog right here.
Dude, that is not a Harley helmet.
I know that. I don't usually ride Harleys.
So why didn't you bring a Harley helmet?
I don't ride Harleys. I don't usually like to ride Harleys. I love to look at them, but I don't like riding them. I'm a sport bike kind of guy.
Well, there's no bike in here.
Take around back. I knew there was parking in the rear, and that's usually where people park their bikes when they go party at this particular establishment. All right, we got 2 bikes back here. Neither one of them black though. Yeah, we actually found 2 bikes back there. One was a wannabe Harley, crotch rocket thing, and then the other one was a Harley.
Do we have a plate?
All right, bro, that's our plate.
Which one?
Plate.
This is a Harley, that's an Indian.
One on the left is ours.
You serious?
Yep.
Oh shit, get your helmet.
Yep.
Vin it just in case though.
Okay, no. But after venting it, license plate match, that was our bike. Yeah.
It's ready to go?
Well, it's a standard procedure that we have for doing anything, and that's to kind of be a little stealthy, when at all possible.
And I start trying to get into the truck. I hear him turn it on. I'm like, dude, are you like literally just asking for it? I mean, come on, this is like Repo 101. Don't slam doors, don't make noise, don't let no one know you're there, and that's the first thing that he did. Hey!
Hey!
Are you Alicia? Okay, are you Alicia?
Yes?
Okay, you haven't made your payment.
Honey, you better
Listen,
knock the bike over.
let go.
You better knock the bike
Let
over.
go.
Let it go.
Let it go.
I'm not gonna let it go.
This is your bike?
Yes, this is my bike.
Aren't you kind of small to be riding a bike?
I don't give a f.
Let it go. Let it go.
Okay, you haven't made your payments.
I don't care. Yes, I did. I did them yesterday.
You just say you don't care. Now you know you made them yesterday?
And who the f are you?
We're with the finance company.
Who the f? Let me see. I want to see the papers. That's fake. Get the f out.
Why is it fake?
That's not real.
What?
happened? My
Who are you?
What happened? I'm fine. What happened here?
Who's she?
This is trying to take my bike.
Whoa,
Hey, what's up here?
What did you call me?
I called you.
Tell me.
I called you.
I don't really want to deal with her. She went straight to Matt, started grabbing the handlebar, started pulling, and she made the big mistake by calling Matt a few names, and Matt took that very personal.
Go back inside. Finish your drink. Do whatever you're gonna do.
Man, you know what? Hey,
dude.
what's going on?
Go back inside.
trying to
and finish
take
your
my
drink.
fucking
Who are you?
Alone right now.
Hey,
You
they're
all
friends
here?
of mine.
And then another guy comes out, and it's like all of a sudden we got everyone trying to figure out what's going on. Everyone wants a piece of it. That's funny because I'm repoing her bike, and they want to know what we're doing. But if I was at their home trying to repo their stuff, they would have nothing to say. Besides, I already made the payment. When did you send the payment?
Yesterday.
Okay, they haven't received it then. If they received, did you send the whole 6 months?
No, I sent half of it.
Hold on, man, hold on.
What happened
Listen,
here?
I don't want her to get hurt. Listen, you didn't send all the payment, then you're not gonna get to keep the bike. As soon as you finish making all the 6 payments, plus the late fees, then you're gonna get it back.
I don't care, but they're still gonna take my bike.
Don't talk like this
There's
with my
nothing that you can do about it right
girlfriend.
now.
My wife, don't talk like this with her.
It's hard having to deal with one girl. I can't imagine how difficult it is to have a relationship with a woman and a woman together.
Why
Listen,
not?
I don't care if she's your girlfriend, your wife, your sister, whatever. It has nothing to do with this.
My
You don't
love,
have nothing to
I
do with
give
this.
you the
This is
money,
about her.
I'm gonna give you the money last year.
I heard the girlfriend say something like, "What happened to the money I gave you sometime, last week or last month or whatever?" And I'm like, "Oop, this is just a regular typical thing that the girlfriend gives her money and she just goes and spends it and forgets about paying the bike. I just want to get out of there. Please don't disrespect him. He's not disrespecting you.
I'm not taking your bike.
Listen,
I'm the guy taking your
listen,
bike.
he's not the.
Talk like this to my
You
wife.
go inside.
Get her the off the
Nothing to do
bike.
with you.
do you
You need
say,
to go. Matt, just please, bro, please.
Please, playing with this.
Listen. Finish making all the payments that you owe. You're gonna get it back. You want your bike back? We're not gonna keep it. The finance company is not gonna keep it. They just want to make sure that you make all the full payment. Once they receive it, then you can get it back. Okay?
Hey, you. Hey, I give you the money. What happened to you, honey?
I give it to those fools. They're fucking jacking me.
Hey, like that.
They got to the point where they were arguing with Matt and they were arguing with me. And all of a sudden, like a typical girl, just turned around and started arguing amongst themselves. And by that point, I'm like, dude, let's get out of here. Let them argue.
What do you mean? You. What happened to you? I give you the money.
Does Matt literally like confrontation with people? Does he really not understand that you have to be stealthy? You have to think that don't make noise, don't be rowdy, get in, get out, be done with your job.
I jumped the gun on the start, bro.
Why'd you do that? You're supposed to push it out so they can't hear it. What
I
happened?
know. Give me the order. You know what, dude? He's got me so nervous anymore, Lou, with all this shit. All this shit's just making me insane, bro.
Wait. Do me a favor, cut the camera, bro. Please, cut the camera already.
I was more embarrassed about the way I handled that repo. Even though we got the bike, even though we got it without really too much I was embarrassed. I did screw up.
So Sonia, when do you plan on getting better? Because you sound like crap.
Yeah, I know. I don't know, man. Whenever my system decides to kick in, all the meds I'm taking.
Well, you're getting me sick. I already have like a ring.
Yeah. What I got, you can't get. Okay.
Well, you don't have a cold?
No, I don't. I have bronchitis.
Oh. I guess I can't get that then, huh?
She's a little bit more serious as in comparison to when I go with Froy or, Matt. We kind of, joke around if we can. We squeeze it in there. But Sonia's just like, where's your car?
All right, why don't we start from here real quick?
What is that? There's a Honda right there.
Where?
It's an Accord, though.
Do we got a plate?
Yeah. Accord.
What's the plate on that? Get off the
Baby.
If it's our car, I'm gonna back up into it.
Let's back up into it because it's our car. Oh boy.
What are you doing?
Excuse me, are you Zach Sampson?
Yes.
Okay, let me explain something to you.
What are you guys doing?
Let me explain something to you. Sonia, come on, Sonia!
And then we got a couple of idiots getting involved. Okay, now, Lyndah is pretty tough, okay? But I gotta kind of watch her because if she gets hurt, my brother will choke my butt, okay?
Wait a minute, I need to talk to Zach Sampson.
That's me.
Okay, that's you? Thank you for identifying yourself. Now, well, let me explain it to you and I'll let you. Whoa, you need to stop. You guys, excuse me. Your name isn't on this repo order, so you need to back up. Thank you. Go ahead. Keep it going.
You know what?
Keep it going. Stop. All right, let me explain something to you. I have an order to repossess on this car. You're behind payments. Do you know?
I'm not behind payments.
Really?
Yes.
That's
I pay
nice.
my payments every friggin' week.
Every freaking week. Wow, then you really shouldn't be behind, huh?
Do you have a card?
We don't need a card. We're showing you the repo order, okay?
Well, you're disturbing the peace.
Did you just hear me? We have an order for repossession.
Where?
Okay?
Right
See,
here.
right here.
Whoa, this is my clipboard, honey.
I'm allowed to see it if you're
you can
repoing
see-
my
you
car.
can
But you're
see
not
it.
gonna yank it out of my hand.
Okay?
So calm down, please. It'll go a lot smoother, and you'll understand a lot more.
Do you know you're disturbing the peace right now?
Do you know you have an order to repossess
We
on your
should be
car?
able to get this, isn't that right? Yeah, that's...
Get what?
Lyndah pretty much is a little roughneck. She can handle herself, but I still gotta watch for her. I gotta make sure that she doesn't get hurt.
Look, I'm showing it to you. I'm showing
I know you talk to my friends that way.
Excuse
Tell her to
me.
shut up then.
You tell them to stop. Tell them to stop because they're gonna make it a lot worse. Here's the order. You're asking me for the order. Hello. I'm talking to Right here, right here, right here. Order. Don't yank it out of my hand, dude.
I want to see it.
You're gonna see it. Stop focusing on your friends. Tell them to shut up, and I'm over here trying to show you the order.
Disturbing the peace.
You know what?
There's people around here right now, and you're disturbing the peace.
Good. We're not disturbing
That's
any
against
peace.
the law.
We're not disturbing any peace. I'm here doing a job. I'm here doing my job.
And you're taping that?
Okay, I'm here. I'm trying to show you. Who is it? I don't.
Taking my freaking car.
Then we got his two friends getting in the suit, which they don't need to be involved. But like I said, every time that people are causing commotion, everybody wants a hand in the action.
Look, I'm trying to talk to you.
Go ahead and call the cops.
I need these guys out of my face, please. They're your friends. Get them out of my face, please.
I'm not going to tell
Get
my
them out of my face. Thank you.
You want to give me the keys? You get or I'm gonna drive this car out of here.
No, I'm not giving you my freaking keys.
Did you just hear
Give
me?
me the keys. Give me the keys. No,
Did you just hear me? I'm gonna drag the out of here.
Give him the keys, like he
I'm not
has.
freaking playing.
When my aunt helps me, I mean, it's great. You know, don't get me wrong, but at the same time, my aunt is a lot older. And right now she is sick.
You guys need to get out of here, okay?
Oh,
You
really?
don't have no
So you
business.
tell me.
This is
No.
not your car.
Get the hell out of my truck. Don't even touch my truck. Look, that's where you're messing up, dude.
That's
You're
assault.
messing up. You touched me first. You know the law, right?
You know
Yeah,
what?
we're level headed than you do. Why are you walking away? You're really close to push me. You really close to push me right.
Hey, get away from me.
You know what? I'm trying to calm him down. Do you mind?
I'll call the cops and I'm gonna file a report.
Go right ahead.
Then give me the damn keys or you're gonna be in trouble. You're gonna be in trouble. Did you hear me?
That's assault.
Did you hear me?
I ain't giving you.
Touch my niece, okay? You better give me the freaking keys or we're gonna have some problems.
This is assault.
Bull. You assaulted her first.
No, I didn't.
Give me the damn
I
key
was
right
trying to get a order. Get your
An
hand.
order? You want an order?
Let
Give me an
go.
order. Give me the keys. Keys. You know what? He's talking about assault. Hey, you're the one putting your hands first on her.
Now the camera guys are leaving.
This is, you know what, I just want to see this idle, this is, excuse me, all this great.
You better get out of my truck, boy.
Can I see the paperwork?
Get out of my truck!
If I don't see this car in a little bit, he'll
Get out! Get out of my truck! You're the little here.
That's fine. Am I afraid of getting hit by people when we take their car? Let's put it this way. If I was afraid, I don't think I would have made it this far in this job. Bring it on.
We're looking for a ride. This time, I'm driving. Remember that.
You can drive what you want. I don't like that car.
You don't like the? Why not? I think DeLoreans are nice cars.
You know, that's not my kind of car.
Well, if it's here, I'm driving it.
You know you can't even fit on there, right?
I can fit in a DeLorean.
You cannot fit in a DeLorean.
Bet me. Bet me.
How much you want to bet you can't fit?
Lunch today.
All right. You can't fit, watch.
Everyone talks a lot of crap about my driving, but, you know, bottom line here, I was going to drive this car.
You know, the problem with doing a car like this is that there's not that many of these cars. And there are collector's items. And, I mean, I've never met anybody that has one. So you know uphand that going to a repo like this, there's going to be some kind of problem. You just don't know exactly what it is.
Stop. Yo. That's
right
it
there.
back there.
This is the only car that looks like that.
That's it. All right. What's the plan?
I'll back up into it, but you're gonna need the keys.
Want me to go knock it?
Yeah, but just walk over there and make sure there's nobody in the car or nowhere near the car so I can just back up into it.
Okay, don't get out yet.
I will be able to hook it up. Look at the spoiler on the bottom.
Don't get out. Now, what's going on?
I can't hook it up because it's got a spoiler
No, I know
on the
that.
bottom.
I know that. So,
just make sure nobody's back there.
Okay.
So, you know, I prefer to be the one to back up the truck, especially because I don't want nothing to happen to the car. At the same time, I want to make sure that if someone comes out yelling and screaming and wanting to fight, they deal with Matt.
Got dogs, guys, so watch out. Hi.
Hello?
Hi. Wait, is he friendly?
Oh yeah, he's friendly.
Hi, I'm looking for Johnny. My name is Matt Birch. I'm from EPA Recovery.
My name is Tony.
Hi,
Nice
Tony.
to meet you.
Hi, Tony. I'm here for the DeLorean today.
The DeLorean?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you here to take it?
Yes, sir, I am. I'm from the repossession company.
Okay. What's with all the cameras?
They're for my protection and for the protection of yourself. Is there a problem with that?
No, you can bring them on the car.
I had talked to the registered owner's father, and he had assured me that there was going to be no problem with getting this vehicle. Oh, really?
Honey, what's going on? What's going on, honey?
They come to repossess the car.
Whose car? What car? Why?
I'm here for the Johnny's car.
No. Johnny?
Is everything gonna be okay with me?
Yes, no
Okay,
problem.
okay.
I'm sick of this car. I want to have my property.
Here. Why the camera here?
Hey, you gotta take the
We
DeLorean.
don't need this image for our son. What are you
My
doing?
son needs to grow up. He needs to grow up.
Relax. Relax, guys.
Relax. Relax.
No, you relax.
They made
Okay.
This is my prize
Calm down.
possession.
Everybody needs to calm down. This is getting out of hand.
Yes, I'm the owner of
Okay.
this car.
Well, we're here to pick it up. You gonna make a payment?
No.
We're here to pick it
I
up.
will make my payment. It's hard
then-
times. You know how
I'm
company
not
is right
screaming
now.
at you. What are you screaming at me for?
Take it down a notch, bro. Just take it down. Relax. Okay?
The guy finally comes out. First of all, I never thought it would belong to a guy that looks like he's 20, maybe 25 the most.
I'm trying to keep the situation calm down. I'm trying to give them the benefit of the doubt. The mom and dad are there. I got a camera crew behind me. You know, I just got to handle this a little more delicately than normal.
He seemed to kind of target Matt a lot. So I kind of just stepped back. And I'm glad that Matt kind of took it easy because, you know, he's a little thin water with Lou. So Matt is trying to, you know, behave and relax and try to do the right thing.
Excuse me. Can we make some arrangements? No.
Chill out, Johnny. Johnny. Whoa. See, I told you he was crazy. Johnny, why did you do that?
You little son of a... I turned my back on the guy, and then all of a sudden, man, the guy kicked me in the The problem was, he got me between, and I'm gonna say this, he got me between my and my, you know, right in that area, and boy, did it hurt bad.
Not touch.
He's full of rot. Thanks to
One
you.
time, I don't want to say it again. Stop it and beat it. You hurt me.
So Matt is trying to, you know, behave and relax and try to do the right thing. At the same time, this kid is like jumping everywhere, and screaming, and then he starts dancing, and then he starts, you know, I thought he was gonna start doing the robot or something, you know what I mean?
We'll straighten this out later. Just go ahead.
No.
No, look. I got it.
Matt,
Come on, son.
We have a solution. We have a solution.
what's the solution?
I have my camera in my glove.
You can get your camera out, that's not a
Now, all I'm asking you is if you take a picture of me and my car from one last time.
I think the parents are probably doing all they can to help him out, okay? And if you've ever been the parent of a psychologically disturbed child, it's not for me to blame them at all. I'm sure they're doing the best they can to help this young man out. Okay, are you ready?
It's okay, son. We'll get it back. Don't worry.
Are you ready? Okay.
The next
Yeah,
time he doesn't make his payment.
All right. All right. That's good. How about another one? Another one for you.
I don't need that.
Another one, Johnny.
Okay.
What you think about that, Mom?
We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it back.
All right, buddy.
I
All
promise
right,
you,
here.
we're gonna get it back. Yes.
All right.
Well, you know, at the end, he just like gives up, and then he made some kind of deal with his mom. I was trying to talk to the dad, and the dad's telling me, well, you know, he's stuck in the 80s and this and that. I'm like, your kid needs help. I mean, if he's acting like this, he needs a lot of help. So you better get him some help.
You create
I want
more.
to solve the problem. If it's a problem, we got to get rid of it. He's got to be more responsible with his money.
Let's just leave it
Okay,
alone.
let's go.
No.
Stop
See,
spoiling
what
it.
is
Calm
this gonna
down,
do
Johnny.
to his image? What do you think?
His image.
What?
So Matt gets in the car and drives away. Maybe I made a mistake, but not this time because he actually made it all the way to the office. Bravo, Matt, you didn't flip it over. Okay, I owe you lunch.
You owe me lunch, bro.
Okay, but you don't fit though, right?
I fit fine now.
Comfortably.
Comfortably, just fine. I feel like I'm in an easy chair right now.